Hey, what's up, guys? This sound of food here. And lately I've just got a bunch of cancer. All places, maybe some CSGO, possibly YouTube, maybe even a video posted on Pornhub. Lately, I just have fucking cancer. So this is me expressing my signs of cancer. I may not live the next week, but here we go. Oh, fuck me. Oh, oh, Jesus. Fuck. Oh, oh, fuck, dude. Oh, oh, man. It smells like fucking rotting brains in here. Oh, hang on. Let me, slit my wrists. Yeah, definitely slitting my wrists here. Oh, fuck me. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go fucking kill myself. So I'll see you guys. Fuck. Just I wanna fucking die.